Hi everyone, welcome to Home Cooking by On channel. Today I'm making Szechuan beef with capsicum. This dish is one of my husband's favorite dish, and we first had it in Brisbane, and I'll show you how to make it. To make Szechuan beef, you need some beef. I'll use drumstick for beef and slice very thinly. Need about handful, and you need red and green capsicum, or you can use yellow as well. For the sauce, you need oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic, and sugar, and importantly is Szechuan mushroom sauce, which I will tell you in the middle of the video that where you can get it from. So let's get cooking. 2 tablespoons of oil, and we need high heat for this cooking, so it's going to be a very hot pan. So add some garlic. Fry the garlic until it's golden, and then stir it for a while, and then you add some beef, sliced beef. It's going to be very quick because the beef is so thinly sliced and we have high heat on, and so it's gonna be very quick, otherwise the beef will get tough. Now mushroom sauce in. This is what it look like. It's called authentic Szechuan mushroom sauce. You can buy from Asian grocery anywhere. So stir through your mushroom sauce with the beef until it cook through. Then add the capsicum. Stir very well until the capsicum cook through, and then also you can add a bit of water so your sauce is not too dry. Now it looks really good. Now it's time to add some sauce. So firstly, you need to add soy sauce, followed by the oyster sauce. Last but not least, a little bit of sugar. Have a bit of a taste. There you have it. Szechuan beef with capsicum. As the usual, if you like my channel, please subscribe for Home Cooking by On, and I'll see you next video. See you next time. Enjoy cooking. Bye for now.